Happy 50th birthday, Dad. Ang tanging wish ko po sa'yo ay sana magkaroon ka pa ng another 50 years to enjoy life. No words can express how much I've been grateful to you. As someone who has seen 18 years of your life working and making sacrifices, I can't imagine how half of your life has been dedicated to provide for family. May your day be filled with happiness and goodness. I can't wait to see you soon to make you more proud and happy. Again, happy birthday, Dad, and I love you 3,000.
For almost 22 years, dalawang beses pa lang nating na-celebrate yung birthday mo na magkasama. Pero lagi mo nga sinasabi, what to do. Salamat sa pagsasakripisyo mo para mabigyan kami ng magandang buhay. Cheers to 50 golden years. May your days be as golden as your heart. May God always bless you with good health, long life, and happiness. Para pag nag-for good ka na here, we will have more gala and food trips. Basta lagi ka lang mag-iingat dyan and laging healthy. Again, happy 50th birthday! I love you, Boogie. Enjoy!
Happy 50th birthday, Daddy! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo!
Birthday, Tita! I love you!
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Edwin.
Happy birthday, Tito Edwin. I wish for more birthdays to come. God bless you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Edwin. Hope for the happiest birthdays and I wish you great health. Love you so much.
Koy, happy birthday! 50 na ka na eh. Sana kumaba pa yung biyeta mo, yung biye mo, more birthday to come. Good health. God bless you. Ingat ka lagi. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ninong Edwin.
Happy birthday, Ninong Edwin. Ingat ka lagi. Sana makabisita kami dyan soon.
Hello Kuya, happy 50th birthday. Sana mas marami ka pang blessing dumating sa buhay. Good health at happy memories kasama ang tropa at mahal sa buhay. Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo.
Happy birthday, Koy! Happy birthday, God bless!
Ingat kayo dyan.
Ingat, dito lang kami, malapit lang kami, kapitbahay nyo lang kami. Dito lang, pwede kayo pumunta. 3 hours lang, biyahe. Punta na!
Hello Tito, happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka lagi. Alagaan mo katawan mo kuya. We love you, mahal ka namin.
Bugi, happy birthday. Wish ko lang good health. Tsaka laging happy lang sa buhay. Dekada na tayo magkakasama pero dito pa rin tayo. Present ako lagi sa birthday mo. Yun lang, Bugi. Thank you.
Edwin, basta na. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. And good health also. Basta nandito kami para sa'yo palagi Buhay ka hanggang gusto mo, pre. Ingat palagi. Love you.
Happy birthday, Gani. Oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday, Gani. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Oh, happy birthday, Brad. 50th birthday, happy birthday. Nag-celebrate na kami, in advance na namin.
Hello, Bogi. Kamusta dyan? Happy birthday! More blessings and good health always. Anong balita dyan? Ay, balita ko daw, imbitado daw ang buong McDonald's niya sa birthday mo. Kamusta ba ako sa kanilang lahat dyan? Mga tropa natin dyan. Kay Kabuto, kamusta mo rin ako sa kanya at saka doon sa nag-send ng video na to. Salamat sa ginawa niyang pang sa birthday mo. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. God bless.
Sir Edwin, happy birthday! More blessing, good health. Ingat ko palagi. Enjoy your birthday today. Thank you, sir.
Happy 50th birthday, Sir Edwin! Ang wish ko to, sana bigyan ka pa ng good health and maraming blessings sa buhay. And wishing you all the best. Mag-iingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Sir Edwin! So, ito yung first na magsa-celebrate ako ng birthday mo. So, I wish you all the best. And ano bang wala ka pa? Halos lahat nasa iyo na. Happy birthday, Boogie! We love you!
Boogie! Boss Edwin, happy 50th birthday sa'yo. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. At sana wag lumambot yung iyo. Happy birthday, Boss Edwin.
Hi sir, happy birthday! Isang maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. God bless.
Boogie, happy birthday. Stay healthy. Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inuman. Sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, Sir Edwin! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo! Pakak!
Kwek!
Pansin Canton!
Happy birthday, Sir Edwin! Yun lang, wish ko mahabang buhay pa and salamat kasi hindi masaya ang Dubai life ko kung di ko kayo nakainana.
Yes! Yes, happy birthday, Sir Edwin. God bless you and your fam. More Alfonso. And more bonding to come. Yes, God bless!
Good afternoon, Sir Edwin. Happy birthday. Mwah.